Okay, so ready to upload yung FTP file na ginawa natin. So first thing is login, username Amcero, password, and then click connect. Okay, so successful. So mapapansin nyo po dito, kapag kinlik nyo yung plus sign, bababa yung logs, Philippines, processed, unprocessed. So wag po nating ipapasok dito sa unprocessed or sa processed. Bubuksan nyo muna po yung Philippines. There. And itadrag nyo po dito sa unprocessed. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron na po siyang laman. Yan. Mga laman na. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nandyan pa po, hindi pa siya processed. Malamang. No? Simple lang eh. So, pwede nyo pong i-drag directly dito or dito sa unprocessed. Okay? Sample. Open. Sorry. Nalilito. So, I will drag ito. Close mo natin ito. I will drag this one dito sa Philippines unprocessed. Or, pwedeng drag mo dito. As long as nasa Philippines siya. Okay? Pero just to be safe, dito na lang po sa, para malaman nyo, unprocessed po. Okay? Processed. Then, okay. So, hindi ko muna siya gagawin para hindi makagulo. Okay. Sige, gawin na pala natin. Sample naman ito. See? Failed transfer, successful transfer is 1. So I successfully uploaded dito sa FTP. So there. So after po nun, Amtrust will be getting all the unprocessed, will be processing all the files inside the unprocessed folder, and you will customer can check already in the customer portal. So if ever you have any questions po, you can email us here. Just copy in Miss Gemma de la Cruz at amtrustmobilesolutions.ph. So maraming salamat and have a nice day.